Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And in this video, I'm going to be going over a new program that I joined called the Nexus Rewards program. Alright, it's pretty much a online opportunity. You can make money from it, or you could just become a free member and reap the benefits of cash rewards program. And I'm going to go over that real quick. So you can get cash rewards on gasoline, groceries, dining, travel, home improvements, apparel, and you could do this online or offline. It doesn't matter, and a lot more. So, for example, gasoline saving, you could save up 25% on per gallon, 25% per gallon, and more every time you get gas. Okay, and so there also is a lot of exclusive member bonuses as well. So the average member of this program savings is cash back over $400 per month and over $5,000 per year. Okay. Now also, I'm gonna play this video real quick, and it's gonna explain the program overall with the compensation plan.
We can see the world through open eyes and savor all the time before it flies. And every time you wake up, there's a new day that's calling out your name. Come join the game.
Hello and welcome to Nexus Rewards, the ultimate savings, cashback, and referral program. My name is Art Phelps. My brother Rob and I are the owners and co-founders of Nexus Rewards. We've developed relationships with some of the largest and most exclusive savings and cashback companies in the world. This is allowing our members to get huge discounts and cashback on everything that they buy. These companies have already saved their members hundreds of millions of dollars and have paid tens of millions of dollars in cashback. With Nexus Rewards, you will never pay full price for anything ever again. Our free members are enjoying fantastic savings, discounts, and cashback on gasoline, groceries, dining, travel, and shopping, both online and offline. The Nexus Rewards platform is easily saving people hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year and more. That's free money back to you. The premium membership package takes your savings, cashback, and earnings to a whole new level. For a one-time $10 setup fee and only $21.95 a month, you're going to get instant access to the very same benefits portal that 5 of the top 10 biggest U.S. employers and 23% of all Fortune 500 companies are using for their executives. The average savings and cashback per member is over $5,000 per year. That's over $400 a month. That's the average. The Nexus Rewards Premium membership not only pays for itself, but it actually makes you money, whether you ever refer people or not. If you do help others save money and get cash back, our copyrighted referral program uses 21st century technology to track referrals and reward you in a variety of different ways. First, you will earn $10 per month on all of your personal referrals. Whether you refer 5, 10, 50, 100 or more, you get $10 a month on them. Next, you can earn up to 10 levels on everyone that your people refer. When you factor in some geometric growth, there is tremendous income potential here. We also have a one-of-a-kind $5 coded infinity bonus. The potential earnings with the coded infinity bonus are staggering because you could be earning on an ever-expanding group of members who are literally dozens, ultimately even hundreds of levels deep in your network. And finally, we have a 3x10 customer loyalty bonus matrix. As a premium member, you're immediately placed into the highest position available in this 3x10 bonus matrix. And you can receive a 100% check match on all your referrals. Meaning, if they make $10 in the matrix, you make an extra $10 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100, you make an extra $100 on top of your matrix earnings. Whatever they earn in the matrix, you will earn as well. This truly is an unprecedented opportunity. Simply by sharing this website, you're helping others save money and get cash back, while generating a life-changing income that can pay you for years and years to come. Nexus Rewards is a unique program where everyone wins. You save and get cash back just by using our products and apps. And we pay almost 80% of the $21.95 in commissions and bonuses. Nexus Rewards is already helping others get more out of life. More savings, more cash back, more money, more security, more freedom, and more fun. We invite you to join us.
Some things in this world were meant to be. Like living life in peace and harmony.
All right, guys. So that was the presentation and the compensation plan. So it's a pretty impressive compensation plan. If you are ready to get started, you can definitely get started for free by clicking on the link below. All right, thanks again, YouTube, and have a good one.